front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Now tap on Lock Screen over here and decide which login method you wanna apply, PIN, password or pattern. Click on a chosen one and create it. If you made a mistake, hit retry at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you're ready and sure of your choice, hit continue at the bottom right one and repeat it to confirm it before hitting confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications by adjusting all of those options or clicking on this switcher at the top. Select Done and go back. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!